Good afternoon, folks. Or good evening, I should say. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. What you're looking at today, this is an S.M.C. Royal Flush. It's one of three ceiling fans I acquired last week on Saturday. Picked them up from a gentleman in Maynard. There was the S.M.C. There was a Hampton Bay Genoa and a small white flush mount fan. Not sure what that is, but anyway, this one here works pretty well. It does make a bit of a humming sound, like most, has to be expected. Has a functional schoolhouse light, and I'll start it off on. Starts off on fast. And medium. Shut the light off because I think you can see the fan better with it off. Low. And now for the spin down. I want to thank you folks for watching. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. I really appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to it. And if you don't like the video, make sure to click unlike, but make sure to do it twice. That's all. Thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck.